Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your billing history on Hulu. If you don't have a Hulu account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 1 month free trial. This promo is applicable for new and eligible returning subscribers. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. On the left side of this page, you will see a section for billing history. Beside it, you will see an option for View History. Click on View History. Then, a pop-up window will appear. Here you will see your billing history. That's how to view your billing history on Hulu. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.